What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. I am with Johncarlo of Landini's Pizzeria. He has 1 location in Vegas and 4 in San Diego, and so this is a very exciting interview for me. How's it going?
Wonderful, man. How you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Great.
What are you making today at the LV Pizza Fest?
Today, what we're going to do is we're going to do a meatball ricotta pizza.
Ooh.
So it's going to be a white-based pizza. We're going to put some sliced meatballs, some ricotta cheese on there, and then at the end, we're going to dabble some tomato sauce on there.
Now, if you're like any pizzeria out there, I'm assuming you have multiple types of pizzas that you make.
Absolutely.
Why did you choose this one?
We wanted to showcase what we thought was one of our better ones here in Las Vegas. But like you were saying, we got multiple locations. We have our other locations over in San Diego, and we don't just do New York style. I personally specialize in Neapolitan wood-fired pizza, but here today we're going to be doing a New York style pizza.
Okay, awesome. And then tell me about these meatballs. What makes a good meatball pizza?
Good meatball, you want to mix beef and pork. You want to make sure you have the best ingredients you can put in there. You're going to put some Parmesan cheese, some garlic, some parsley, put some bread in there to keep it nice and moist. So yeah, we make them all by hand.
Oh, I love that. Handmade sounds like a great seller. And clearly you're doing something right, having 5 pizzerias total.
Yeah.
Tell me, as somebody who has that much experience underneath their belt, what would you wish you would have known when you were first getting started?
Ooh, that's a good question. Well, I think what everybody needs to know, you need to love this business, right? So if you don't have a passion for doing pizza, then maybe you're not in the right spot. So everybody here today, they love what they do. I guarantee, I haven't even spoken to everybody here yet, but everybody loves what they do if they're here, right? So this is something that you learn over time, you gain experience, you learn from other people, you ask questions, and all pizzaiolos, not only in Vegas, not in San Diego, but all over the world, we form a community, and it's like a brotherhood, so we all piggyback off of each other. You could always learn. You learn from the best, but you're also learning from someone that just got in the business, You never stop learning.
Even if you're doing something you love, things get hard.
Absolutely.
What is one of the hardest things you've dealt with in owning a pizzeria?
Well, there's a few things I would look at. I mean, if we're talking about pizza itself, the hardest thing to maintain, I think, is a good pizza dough, right? It's alive, so you got to treat it like it's something living. You can't just, make the pizza dough and leave it there. So there's many things that come into making the perfect pizza dough. And then, it's an hospitality business, so give the customer what they want, give them the best product possible, and then, what can go wrong?
Amazing. And is there one final piece of advice that you want to leave the audience with listening, whether it's about pizza, business, or life? What do you got for them?
Do what you love. If you do what you love, you're not going to work a day in your life.
Is that really true? Is that really true?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's still work.
Oh, yes, absolutely. It's still work, of course, but if you love it, it doesn't hurt that much.
You can power through, right?
Absolutely. Been doing it for 30 years, so
30 years.
I love it.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Giancarlo, thank you very much for being on the show. This show is presented by Cordo Olive Oil, and so I do have something for you for participating.
Some swag.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
We are going to be doing some drizzles with their new olive oil later. I would love to share a slice with you if you're available.
Absolutely. Yes,
awesome.
for
Can't
sure.
wait to try it.
Awesome, man.